chrome with a song of torque shakes the earth. The welding diesel mechanic, steadfast and blow, a master of machines, both ancient and new. His workshop, a sanctum of steel and grit, lit by the flicker of welding flame. He arranges, sang their metallic hymn, and grease adorned his hands like a artist's paint. To be all you always. A daily toil. Engines untamed and pistons supreme. Yeah, for his was a craft-driven train lord, where power and precision waged eternal war. From the seasons he laid, but relentless and keen, through summer scorch, and this ice is no frost still the fires of his trade, nor tempest silence the practice he made. They yawn.